Hey guys, today I've got a GE washer. It's running through a pretty heavy wash cycle right now. You can hear it agitating. Lift this up, you can see the lid switch works. It shuts it down when you open it up. But that's a pretty heavy load, and it still looks like there's quite a bit of room. I believe this is a king size capacity, one of the biggest capacities in this line here. So we're gonna let this move through this cycle here, and I'm gonna show you that everything works great on it. You'll be able to hear it in the final spin, see that it runs smooth, sounds great. Kind of purpose of this video is as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. You get to see that everything works, so when you take it home, plug it in, you know it's gonna work good. Once this is done, we'll move the clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer also works perfectly. So we'll let this go ahead and move through the cycle, and we'll come back to it. Alright, we're moving out of the wash cycle into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining there. So all the water's being drained out. Once it's done draining out the water, it will spin the clothes. Then it refills, goes through the rinsing process, repeats, and spins out. Okay, now we are on that final spin cycle. The drain is running as the tub is spinning, and I'm going to show you by lifting this up that it is spinning nice and fast. Lid switch is going to engage, it's going to shut it down, but that way you can see spinning nice and fast. Then it's going to get back up to speed. You can see in here it's nice smooth operation. Those clothes come out nice and light when a machine like this spins as fast as it does, which cuts down on the drying time, which is nice. Alright, we'll let that finish up, move those over to the dryer, and show you that it heats properly and sounds great also. Okay guys, I've got an Amana electric dryer. Now this is built by Whirlpool, so even right in here, American made product, which is pretty cool. And got those clothes moved over. We're gonna go ahead and run this for you. As you can see, this is in like new condition. Sounds great, runs great. And I'm gonna show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. There's a 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. So the heating element, all of the components involved with that, thermistors, thermostats, cycling thermostats, all of it, everything gets checked. This dryer is actually less than 1 year old. The washer is dated between 4 to 6 years old. So it's fairly new set here, especially on this dryer. You can see it's in like new condition. I'm gonna show you my little heat gun here. Whatever those two red dots hit right in the middle, that's where it's gonna measure the temperature. So you can see it's reading about just above 60 degrees Fahrenheit in here. So I'm gonna pop this open and I'm gonna shoot it right, and you can even see it red inside of the heating element tube. So plenty of heat in there. Take a picture for the ad there. Which that tube there can get anywhere up to 300 degrees depending on what you have it set to. And then the inside of your dryer is going to be anywhere from 95 all the way up to 195 to get those clothes nice and dry. Just depends on what setting you have it here. You have 3 different settings for high heat, low heat, no heat. Just depends on what you're drying. As you can see, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. I'm going to let that go ahead and finish up, and we'll get these listed for sale. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Have a great day.